Today we're shopping the Aldi aisle of shame, and there's so many good items I can't wait to show you. All the new fall stuff is out right now at Aldi, and it does not disappoint. Now, the item I was most excited to see are these candles right here. Look at how adorable these are. I found these on Amazon, but they were of course more expensive. They have them here at Aldi. They look like regular pumpkin candles, but they are LED. You can get them in orange. They also have the cream color. They also have these LED ceramic pumpkins. They light up from the bottom and they come in 2 different colors under $10. Of course, they have a lot of candles out right now for fall. Now, this one looks very similar to something I just made in a Dollar Tree DIY video, but they have these white pumpkins with lids. They're priced at $6.99 and they're all candles. I'm not sure if they're different scents. Oh, this one is an acorn. This is acorn and oak. It smells really good. The pumpkin is cinnamon pumpkin scent. And then they have another pumpkin that's mahogany woods. Ooh, I bet that I would like this one the best. Now, one of my favorite items and the thing I think looks most high-end is this wreath right here. How gorgeous is this wreath? I think this looks like Pottery Barn. We should probably get it. They also have a few other versions in the wreath. They have this one right here, and they have this option. All 3 of these wreaths are $16.99. You guys, these are so adorable. Look at these bowl or vase fillers. They have acorns and mushrooms. Let me try to get to a mushroom so you can see it. And then they also have these pumpkins. They're in 2 different shades. I definitely think this is going to be one of the most popular items this week. These are glass bud vases. They're under $5 and they come in 4 different cute fall images. I think my favorite is going to be the squirrel, but they also have 2 different mushrooms and an acorn. So I spotted a really good deal for organization. You guys, you get these nice woven baskets, 3 of them. So you get a larger one and 2 smaller ones, price $7.99. These vinyl tablecloths are a great deal for your next party. They come in 3 different sizes, under $3, and you have 4 patterns to choose from. How cool are these fruit tiered bowls? These would be perfect to display all your fruit in. They're under $13 and you can get them in 2 different colors, gold or black. The fall rugs are under $10 and you got 4 different options. They also have these comfort mats and they're double-sided and come in a ton of different patterns. A lot of new kitchen items as well. This wood serving tray is perfect to set out with all your fall decor. Now at my store, I'm not seeing a price, so I'm gonna have to scan it to see how much it is. You can get it in a darker wood finish or you can get a lighter wood finish. I would love to know which one you prefer, either the darker or lighter wood. I think I'm going with this one. If you've been wanting a brownie edge pan, they have them here under $7. These are really cool because with brownies, if you like the edge pieces, which a lot of people do, this makes each of the pieces an edge piece. These are more expensive on Amazon. If you're looking for a fall tier tray, well, actually you could use this all year round. Aldi has this one for $12.99. This would look great sitting out in your kitchen or really anywhere in your house. And what I love about Aldi is they give you the items to put on your fall tier tray, and they usually have a few cute options. How adorable is this? I love this little pumpkin mug. You have the little scenery here. Let's see how many options they have. They also have this one that you could get. Oh, here's another one. They have this one. I love that tiered pumpkin. There are so many options, you guys. Here's another option with a gnome. This is hard to choose, but I think this one has got to be my favorite. Now, if you're looking for some inexpensive wall art but don't want to spend a lot of money, they have these framed prints here at Aldi for under $10. And they have these nice wood frames. Now, we found these. There's 3 different options, but they all look really similar. So you could do 2 stacked next to each other, or you could do all 3. This is a good price, $4.99, and you get 4 fabric pumpkins. You can get more of the neutral ones, or they have the white and orange. This is a good deal. If you're looking for the gnomes, they have them here at Aldi. The mini ones are $4.99, and then they have the larger ones for $8.99. They have the new fall Febreze scents. You get 3 different options, $3.24. They have cinnamon apple, pumpkin roll, and cranberry crumble. Now for Halloween, Aldi came out with this really cute pastel line. They have some fun things. They have these rugs out right now. They also have these adorable mugs for $3.99. I mean, how adorable is this iridescent ghost? And they also have candles. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Aldi. If you have pets, this is your week here at Aldi because they have you covered from top to bottom. First, they have all these toys up here, plus these bones that Moose loves. We have to get them for him. They also have something we're really interested in. This is called a pet hair remover washer ball. You're supposed to put it in your laundry to remove pet hair. We're definitely gonna get this and see if it works. If you have cats, you can get this really fun cat scratch accordion. It looks like there's a toy that goes around the middle. There's also several pet beds. You guys, they are selling hot rollers here at Aldi. They're coming back. So I'm excited about these. They have these body towels for $7.99. They just wrap around. They're great for in the summer when you don't want to wear a big robe. And look at how gorgeous this color is. The other thing they have are these hair wrap towels. Now I buy mine off of Amazon. These are $7.99, which is comparable to the Amazon price when they're on deal. A lot of times theirs are around $10, but you can get 2 hair towels here. These are great so you don't have a big towel on your head when you get out of the shower. On my last Aldi video, I showed you guys these dryer balls. They still have them here at my Aldi, and you guys said these are great. I need to use them in my dryer, so we're gonna pick them up. My Aldi has all of these snack on the go containers, and this is pretty heavy duty. This would be a nice container, but it's $3.99 for one, and I feel like on Amazon you can get a better deal and get a few more. You can get 200 of these Ziploc bags for under $4. If you've been looking for the Dollar Tree wine bottle organizers that I used in my cabinets for water bottles, they have a similar option here at Aldi that's a pretty good deal. This is a wine bottle and water bottle organizer where you can organize 6 bottles, the same as I did with my Dollar Tree one, for $12.99. Now my Aldi just marked down these organizers. Now they're a little bit pricey, but these last so long. I love that they are dark wood organizers. You have 2 cylinder ones you can get for under $10. They also have a stackable one like this, or you can get a larger one with handles. Now this section at my store is items that did not come out this week for the Aldi Aisle of Shame, and I really wanted to get one of these laptop portable desks, but I wasn't able to get here that week, but they still have several options. So I'm gonna be getting one of these. So if you can't get there the week that the items come out, still check, because I know at my store, they have things sometimes for multiple weeks. Now what's cool about this laptop desk is it does have a handle. It also has a place where you could put your iPad, your mouse. I'm just gonna use it for my larger laptop and it fits just fine. So my store finally has the protein waffles back in stock. They weren't here last time, so we're gonna be getting these. They also have some other fun options. These are snackin' waffles, cosmic confetti, and then they also have it in the buttery maple, I'm assuming for fall. A new item this week they have are these cheesecakes. They have the regular New York style one. They also have a strawberry swirl cheesecake. These are priced right under $10. They have 3 different options in these fun ice cream cones. They have a mermaid cone. They also have a unicorn cone and this galactic cone. These are priced at just $4 a cone. They're $3.99. Have you guys tried these cotton candy grapes? They're over here in the frozen food section. They're $3.69. I want to try them. So the last time we were at Aldi, you guys, I bought these Minion goldfish and my daughter said they were amazing, so we got to get some more. Aldi has a version of chickpea pasta. It's about 30 cents cheaper than the oodles kind. I would love to know if you guys have tried it and if you think it's comparable. If you like the Kodiak brand protein pancakes, here's an option that's about $2 cheaper. They have it here at Aldi's. They have a regular version and the chocolate chip, and this one's priced at $3.49. Now, if you like fall foods, this is your week here at Aldi because there's so many. I'm gonna show you the best ones. Starting out strong, we have pumpkin spice Cheerios. They have all the fun coffee and tea flavors for fall. Oh man, they have chocolate covered pretzels. These are apple cinnamon. This one, pumpkin spice. Fall flavored maple syrups are $5.49. You can get this bourbon barrel. They also have cinnamon roll and pumpkin spice. Fall shaped pasta is always a hit, but I don't know about this. Have you guys tried this? It is the pumpkin and butternut squash pasta sauce. Let me know if you've tried this and if it's any good. Fall flavors in the Werther's Original, you can get pumpkin spice, caramel apple, and this maple cream. They also have the fall flavored apple ciders and popcorn and the kettle chips. Let me know what you'll be picking up the next time you shop at Aldi. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.